Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by picking the right stabilizer because the outcome depends on support. Choose tearaway for stable knits, cutaway for stretchy garments, or washaway for delicate lace. Once chosen, hoop the stabilizer with fabric, leave about 1 to 2 inches beyond the design. Make sure to use a temporary adhesive or pins to prevent shifting. Then set your machine. Attach the embroidery foot, fit the correct needle, and check thread tension. These first steps prevent puckering and misalignment. Now focus on precise alignment and hooping. Accuracy here ensures clean stitches. Mark the design center on both fabric and stabilizer, then align to the hoop grid and fabric grain to avoid distortion. For lightweight or unstable fabrics, use sticky stabilizer or double hoop. Stabilizer plus fabric hoop together keeps tension even. Before committing, run a test stitch on a matching scrap so you can tweak placement, stitch density, and underlay. This reduces surprises and gives you a reliable reference. Begin stitching while watching the first few passes. Stop immediately if the fabric shifts or stitches bunch. Once complete, remove hoop and follow stabilizer-specific finishing. Tearaway lifts off gently close to stitches, cutaway is trimmed outside the stitch line, and washaway rinses away with water. Make sure to secure and trim jump threads, then press the piece on the wrong side if fabric allows. If areas still look unstable or you plan more layers, re-hoop and add stabilizer before continuing.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.